So, this company, by the way, that made or manufactured this, is never getting a contract from Samsung again. Shout out to this company because they completely messed up. We have a leaked Z Fold 7 poster. Shout out to Anthony, the Galax, for posting this as always. And yeah, it's a complete leaked image of the Z Fold 7 like poster, which again is just insanely crazy that they went ahead and did this. Like that the company, whoever this company is, let this leak. Because they know Samsung is going to be destroying them when it comes to this. Like Samsung likes to keep everything in house. They don't let anything leak for a reason. And this is a good reason because now everyone knows what this flyer looks like. Now, to be honest, we already knew what the phone looked like, if we're being honest, okay? I think for the most part, we understand it's the Z Fold 6 Special Edition. It's super thin. It's insanely thin. Samsung has already come out with their employees looking at the device, saying how thin it is. Like, we already understand, okay? This is the Z Fold 6 Special Edition. But still, again, it's still crazy amazing to look at, and I've never seen an advertisement like this. So I'm guessing, because we can't see the back of this, that this is not like fully open display thing type of concept. Maybe it is. Okay, we can't see the back. So I'm guessing that this is just like, it is like an optical illusion pretty much, where if you put this against the wall, it looks like the phone's open, but reality-wise it's not, and this cardboard piece just stops right here at the top of the phone. That's what I would guess. But who knows? Maybe this does open up all the way, and, that's a really cool concept. Now, of course, this isn't coming out until, like, sometime mid-July. The rumor was it was going to come out July 10th, but according to leaks, that might be pushed back a little bit. So I don't know exactly how far pushed back, but that might be pushed back a little bit. So still a really cool concept. Like I said before, I like it. I mean, it looks good. But again, we'll see how everything shakes out in the end. I'm like mental. Why, as a company, especially because, again, these contracts, you're usually bound by, like, you can get sued if you release any of this information. I don't understand why they would let this get out. And if it's, like, for Samsung to build up hype, I think Samsung, if they had this, quote-unquote, purposely release this to build up hype, I think they would do that closer to the launch, maybe like early July or something. Like, we are still a month away. So, interesting how this got leaked. But, hey, at the end of the day, awesome. I've never seen a poster like this get leaked ever. It's not something that you normally see. So this will probably be at all Samsung stores, would be my guess. And probably like Verizon stores, AT&T, stuff like that. But see you guys next one, though. Peace out.